In this video, you will learn how to embed a PDF flyer into your body of your Gmail message. Open your PDF flyer. Open the PDF flyer on your computer using a PDF reader. Convert the PDF to an image. Since Gmail does not embed PDFs directly, take a screenshot of the flyer or export it as an image, such as a JPEG or PNG. Open Gmail, then click Compose. Log into Gmail and start a new email by clicking Compose button. Place your cursor in the email box. Click the box or the body of the section of your email where you want your flyer to appear. Insert the image. Click Insert Photo or Image icon in the toolbar. Upload the image version of your flyer, then insert it. Adjust, then send. Resize or position the image if you need to. Then finish your message and click Send. Now you know. Now you know how to embed a PDF flyer into the body of your Gmail email. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.